Right, hey, what's up, y'all? So the holiday season is upon us, and you know what that means, right? Well, in addition to all the great things that come with it, the time off, the family, the sharing, sometimes the indulging in things that we don't get to indulge in, for some of us it's very challenging because there's this potential to backslide a little bit. And sometimes a day can turn into multiple days, can sometimes turn into weeks. And what we don't want is to feel like we're losing all the things that we worked so hard for throughout the year, because most of us have been working really hard on our real food nutrition, our fitness routines, maybe improving our sleep or committing to a mindfulness program. And what we don't want is to backslide to the extent that we notice it in how we look, feel, and perform. All right, so what we want is a balance of keeping it real and sticking to our routines, while at the same time allowing ourselves to enjoy the holiday season and indulge just a little bit. Sometimes all you need is just a clear intent for how you want to carry yourself throughout the holiday season. And so last year, Colby and I had put together this very solid process for navigating the holidays. It started with creating a very clear vision for yourself, and then also this 4-step process on how to work with cravings and urges and addictions in the moment. Also, there's no need to go off your real food nutrition program just because it's the holidays. One of the big things that we're trying to do with real food is move away from things made with inappropriate ingredients to things made with better ingredients. And so for every recipe or dish that you think you have to avoid over the holiday season, there's probably a real food version for it. So this coming Saturday at 10:30 a.m. PST, and I say PST because this is a virtual talk being hosted through Crowdcast. At 10:30, we'll be having this talk where we discuss our 4-step process. And in addition to that, we've got tips on traveling, hosting parties, navigating parties, and then also we've got our updated Navigating the Holidays recipe booklet that has all the traditional Thanksgiving and Christmas recipes. It's been updated this year. Part of this virtual talk will be a discussion. If there's any other ideas, we'll add them to this booklet. And so when you RSVP for this talk, you get to attend the talk virtually, you get PDF copies of all this information, and we'll also send out a recorded video of the talk, all right? I plan on this being a shorter talk, probably somewhere around 30 minutes. And then if you'd like to join us for a pre-Thanksgiving potluck on Sunday, November 22nd at 10:30 a.m., that's the Sunday before Thanksgiving, we're having a pre-Thanksgiving potluck where we're going to experiment with a bunch of the side dishes that are in here, all right? So a bunch of the potatoes and beans and casseroles, some of the desserts, some of the rolls, so that we can see and experience and taste how great these recipes are, okay? So again, there's no need to go off when it comes to the holidays, right? You can have the balance of keeping it real and allowing yourself to enjoy some things. You just have to have a mindset and a strategy for it, and that's what we're going to share this coming Saturday at 10:30 a.m. PST, all right? RSVP, and you'll get the confirmation for the link to the meeting.